How to add debit card to Steam. But before that, if you don't know what is Steam, it is a digital distribution platform developed in which widely recognized as a leading hub for PC gaming. And it offers a vast library of video games across various genres, from indie titles to blockbuster franchises. And from here, to start adding a debit card on your Steam account, the first thing that you need to do is to simply sign in your account on Steam, in which after that, all you need to do is simply open it on your PC. Then you will be directed on this page. All you need to do is to simply click your profile icon on the top right corner, and you should be able to see these details. So just click the account details button or option. And after that, from here, it will show you all of the details, including your available wallet balance. And to start adding the debit card, just click Add Payment Method to this account button, as you can see in here. By clicking this one, the next thing that you need to do from here is to simply enter or select either Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and also enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing information below. And once done, you can now proceed by buying or simply depositing an amount to your Steam account. So you can simply add funds here, such as $5 up to $100 in here. And by clicking this one purchase button, you can simply select the payment method of your debit card in here that you just input earlier. But overall, that is just how easy you can start adding debit card to Steam.